Start your engines, auto enthusiasts. Today, we're in for a wild ride. We're transforming the 2016 Jaguar F-Type 3.0 V6 supercharged into a powerhouse of style and performance. Brace yourself for a Project 7 style front grille, monstrous brakes, sleek carbon fiber accents, and an explosive exhaust upgrade. We're adding German precision with hub-centric wheel spacers and finishing off with a glossy touch machine polishing and ceramic coating. It's a symphony of speed and style, so buckle up for the ride of a lifetime. Let's dive into the heart of automotive excellence. Fasten your seatbelts. This is Raptor Customs, and the journey has begun. Let's ride.
Hi guys, you're watching Raptor Customs, and this week we've got in this lovely Jaguar F-Type. It's the 3-litre supercharged and it's in for a bunch of enhancements. So we're going from this standard small brake caliper and disc arrangement to that whopper. You have to stand back to see all that. Look at it, it's massive.
The original brake caliper not only looks ugly, but it has inferior braking as well, due to the fact that it's a 2-piston floating caliper that we're replacing with a 6-piston caliper. The new brake discs have a lightweight metal center, making them bigger but lighter than standard discs. This reduces unsprung weight on the wheel side of the suspension, enhancing both braking performance and overall handling. They are grooved and drilled for better heat escape. Choosing lighter brake components improves the car's dynamics. We've got a bigger disc so the brakes can work more effectively. Also, because it's a bigger area, it can handle more heat at the end of the day.
Right, new brakes. We've driven them around a bit and bedded them in. See if they really work. A bit of speed. Here we go. Yes, they work. They bite well. Good.
We're giving this F-Type a thorough machine polish to eliminate any imperfections, recognizing it's a used car. Our goal is to make it feel factory fresh. Additionally, we've applied a protective ceramic coating, a ultra-thin, transparent film that bonds chemically to the paint. This coating serves as a barrier, preventing light scratches, tree sap, bird droppings, and making it easier to clean by discouraging dirt and tar from sticking. If you want a consistently clean car without the hassle of frequent washing and polishing, a ceramic coating is a smart choice.
Got some genuine Jaguar carbon fibre vents going on the F-Type as well. Super glossy, super sexy, and just make the car look overall more special, complementing all the other little carbon bits and tasty touches.
This Jaguar F-Type is getting some exhaust upgrades, including high-flow catalysts and stylish oversized carbon fiber exhaust tips. While chrome used to be the go-to choice, carbon fiber tips are gaining popularity. These carbon tips not only fill the bumper opening more than the originals, but also boast a glossy carbon exterior, and a distinctive burnt stainless blue colour in the middle, giving the car a unique and sporty look. We're adding a Project 7 style Jaguar front grille to this F-Type. The Project 7 is a special edition from Jaguar's Special Vehicle Operations, known for its track-derived, sporty and rare characteristics. This new grille not only enhances curb appeal, but also improves radiator airflow, giving the car a sportier and more desirable look overall.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our little video, and if you're interested in quality, safe and acceptable enhancements for your vehicle, do feel free to give us a message. Please do give us a follow if you're on social media by clicking that button, and if you're on YouTube, please give us a follow by clicking that subscribe button. Both are absolutely free, we won't spam you, and you get to stay up to date with cool projects like this one. Thanks for watching Raptor Customs.
Go for it. Please, in it.
It's the loud button on and off.